As we stand at the threshold of a technological revolution, the future of artificial intelligence, AI, emerges as a captivating frontier that holds boundless potential. Rapid advancements in AI research and development are reshaping industries and daily life. From cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to sophisticated natural language processing systems, AI's applications are diverse and promising. Industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation are leveraging AI to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making processes. The prospect of AI-driven autonomous vehicles, personalized medical treatments, and smart cities evokes a sense of excitement for a future where AI seamlessly integrates into every aspect of our lives. Yet, the journey towards an AI-powered future is not without challenges, prompting discussions on ethical considerations, data privacy, and the future of work.